to go. Are you ready?
Yeah! Man. The food messed me up. I feel like I got hella swollen.
Oh, God, how many donuts have you ate?
Like 5 today? I think you shrunk my shirt.
I think I should. No.
I'm ready to roll. You ready?
You got my shirt on.
Do I?
That's my shirt.
Well, I thought I got bigger. I thought I got swole. I'm ready to go. Let's go, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button. We heading on out to get this money. Oh, yeah. What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vick, and today we're going to show you how to make money picking up trash. And we're at the first job of the day. And there it is. An illegal dump. What you got to say about that, JoJo?
It's just another instance of how, since we started our junk removal business, people just leave their crap all around our truck in hopes that we will haul it off.
So if you're on this channel and you're doing that shit, you better quit. I'm gonna put a trail cam up right there, and if I catch your ass doing it again, I'm gonna whoop that ass. So yeah.
Let us know, does this happen to you? Are you often finding just random junk around your truck? And if you are, what do you do about it? Do you just like haul it off because it's there, or are you refusing to do that? I'm curious.
I think it might be a resellable item, babe. I might put it on Facebook Market and leave it out here for a little bit. I'm just playing. We're about to swoop it up and head to the first job. But yeah, they keep doing it, huh? I can't wait to move out of here. It's all getting trashy over here. Look at this. And it looks bad on us. So we're gonna pick it up and do the right thing. So yeah, then head to the first job. So we made it to the first job of the day, and the JoJo always gets pissed at me because I go down the wrong way sometimes, like one-way streets and stuff. Or not one-way streets, like parking lots that say, go this way. She's like, what are you doing?
Yeah, you do that a lot.
I do it because I'm trying to have people look at us and try to bring attention to us so we can advertise better.
No, he does it because he's dyslexic as fuck.
Wow, so we're at the first job, and it's a repeat customer. Good morning to you too, sweetheart.
I love you, but come on. I love you.
So I'm not gonna lie, I hate these masks even more. I was trying to pick my nose, and I was like this, trying to get it. Anyways, we got a little bit of a walk today, so the truck's there, and the job's way the hell over that way.
So it's our first job of the day, and we're not really filming that much. A customer's helping us, but it's mainly metal.
Metal and a little bed frame, huh? Or a little bed too. And that's it.
Yeah.
Little box spring or whatever it is.
Super easy morning setup.
Super easy. Just getting it. Smell like booty. No, I'm just playing. So job is complete. It took 5 minutes. The customer helped us and gave us a $30 tip. Plus it was all cash. And that's why I love junk removal. How was that?
That was great. It just doesn't get any better than that. But how does life get better than that?
It's all metal too. So it costs nothing.
Anything.
What are those things, like little bed, little, oh, what the hell it is, little paddings, huh? They're not even mattresses. They're like little.
They're the foam mattresses, and they're super light, and there's no coils, so it doesn't cost.
There's no dump fee, guys.
It's great.
So we're heading to the next one, and it's gonna be a good day. Look at the arrows, JoJo. I'm going the right way this time.
You are this time.
Yeah, I don't want to piss you off today. You gotta feed me later on. I'm not gonna lie. My parking might look like shit though, but I went the right way for your ass. So now we're finally heading to the job. Had to take a little pit stop, and if you haven't tried oat milk, try it in your coffee. It's off the damn hook. I love it. I just tried it like 2 days ago, and I think I'm in love. You ready?
Yeah.
And the JoJo already went pee 4 times, and we only did 1 job. So yeah, how do you feel about the coronavirus going around still?
Yeah, I Shadow's not gonna go away.
She ain't gonna leave no comment how she really feels. So yeah, we're heading to the next job.
So we are at the next job, and this person found us on Google. So it's very important that your SEO is working for you and people can find you when they're looking for you on the web.
So about 10 minutes later, job is complete. And for all you women out there that like to go to Nordstrom's, Macy's, and shop around and spend money, check this find of the day out. The JoJo Lena comes up again, and they're her size.
And my style, because I love the wedges, and they're my size, and I have the perfect black dress that goes with these. So.
And there's a bunch of clothes back there that are brand new, still with a tag on them. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That's right.
She always gets lucky. I never get nothing my size. I guess I'm just too big of a guy. So what do you guys think?
Like
that JoJo went from stank to sexy real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. They look good, babe.
Yeah, they do.
It's time for the club. So we're at job number 3, and we're tearing this piece of shit down. Check it out, guys. So we'll knock this beast down right now. I would just pull with the strap, but I can't get the truck down here because there's no way. So we're gonna use the chainsaw and cut it down real quick. And yeah, then there's some wire down there we're gonna grab. And then there's also some concrete pieces, which we normally don't do concrete, but it ain't that much. It's a bunch of little bricks and stuff, so we'll get that done too. And this is an all cash job, baby. So we're about to get it done. Something you want to make sure you do is always drink a lot of water. I thought I was gonna pass out a second ago. It's hot out here. And JoJo drank all the water earlier. I almost died out here. So yeah, what, 10 minutes later, shed's broken down, and now we gotta walk up this damn hill right here. It's slippery, huh?
It's slippery, and it's about 100 degrees out here, so.
And it ain't even that steep and it's slippery as hell, huh? So don't wear your Nikes, guys, when you're trying to haul shit up a hill. And it's grassy.
Yeah. Be prepared for it. We didn't know that we were going to be starting this job today. So just be prepared for anything in the world of junk removal.
Yeah, we had someone cancel, so we came over here, bid this job, and we said screw it.
Landed it.
We'll do it. So this is something we never do, really. We don't take breaks, but right now, I'm kind of overheated.
Yeah.
Need to drink some water. Look how red I am, guys.
It's the heat of the day, California hot weather, and we're just like tearing down a shed and then carrying the large pieces of lumber up a steep hill.
And it ain't even that far. It's like a 10 feet away, but it's like,
yeah,
it's hot.
We felt like we were gonna have heat stroke.
Hell
I got
yeah.
dizzy, he got dizzy. We have to just, you got to know your body and know when you need to like sit down and just take a break for a little while.
And this is all the water we have, guys. But anyways, JoJo has the tip of the day.
The tip of the day. Lots of times your phone will ring and you know, it'll say like scam likely. And I used to not answer those because you just think they're scammers, but answer them because we've answered them, and it's ended up being a customer, you know, looking for a junk removal service, and we would have missed out on lots of jobs. So now when the phone rings and it says scam likely, it could be a junk removal customer likely.
So that's the tip of the day from the JoJo.
Yeah.
And if I pass out, I told the JoJo make sure she records me, and that'll be another tip of the day. Me passed out. She said she'll pour water on me and take my shirt off. And
I would do first aid stuff because that's what I would do.
I thought she was gonna try to rape me when she said she'll take my shirt off and do sexual things. But anyways, yeah. Taking a little break. And,
that might wake you up really fast.
Hell yeah. So we're almost done, guys. Now that breeze feels hecka good. Job is complete. About 35 minutes later, we're all loaded up, and the JoJo, I think, is worn out. My queen. I got you a chair right there, baby. So when you're done, you can sit right there and I can pamper you. I can give you a foot massage. The JoJo gets it, guys. So job is complete, and yeah, that was kind of horrible. But anyways, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
80.
$80. I'm gonna go with 112, and I still need to go back there on a later date. We'll go back in about 3 days to go pick up a little bit of bricks. So yeah, $80.
80.
80.
Yeah, it's probably more than that.
112, baby. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so I have got the prediction of the dump fee down pat because I guessed $80. And guess who won? Your girl. $84. Holla.
When you're on the avenue in Santa Rosa, you never know what's going down. It's either a drug deal or something. So we are done for the day. The JoJo whooped my ass again and got the prediction right. And people always ask us, how do you get more leads? How to get more business? Well, you gotta treat your business like a baby and don't half-ass it. Just whatever you put out, you'll get back. So you gotta do all the free platforms. You gotta wake up in the morning, post ads. Anything you're lacking on, just YouTube it or look it up. Say you have a hard time doing a website, YouTube it and you'll figure it out. YouTube has so many videos you can just educate yourself on, and they'll just walk you right through it. Ain't that true, JoJo?
Yeah, there's lots of videos that will help you out, and we've done tons of videos to help you out. So you can search up. We've done videos on how to advertise for free, and you know how to get your phone to ring if it's not ringing, and we've given you lots and lots of information. So throughout this video, I'll put links that lead you to other videos that you know will help get your phone to ring.
So yeah, what kind of hauler do you want to be? Do you want to be just a trash guy picking up trash, making a little bit of cash, or do you want to be a professional business that makes good money and get some repeat customers day in and day out? So it's up to you. So do your research, do your homework, get off your ass, get off that couch, and make shit happen. I'm Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and this is the JoJo Lena. And we'll leave a link down below how to advertise and how we get business. We do it all organic. We don't pay for nothing really. Maybe a Craigslist ad. We haven't done that for a while, probably a couple months, but yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many ways to get business, signs, everything. Just
signs, business cards, just flyers.
Word of mouth.
Yeah, letters to apartment places, and there's all kinds of things you can do to get your phone to ring and be really successful in this junk removal business.
So hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, guys, keep hauling and balling.